G'day guys, I'm currently standing in the bathroom on a renovation project that we've got happening for DPS Constructions at the moment, and I wanted to give you a little bit of an insight into some of the things that you don't see when the project's completed. So one thing that I'm really big on is educating and explaining to all of our clients and new viewers out there, it's all the things that you don't see that make the difference in the detail, the quality, the level of finish on a finished home. So the things I wanted to point out to you today, so on all of our projects, if they have full height tiling on the walls, we never like to introduce timber to a wet area. So around all of our windows and doors, we use these metal trims. There's lots of options for those metal trims. They can be different colours, they can be different styles, shapes. You can get quad, you can get square ones. So it's just a far better finish. And like I said, it eliminates the need to have timber architraves or skirtings in your wet areas. So if ever we do full height tiling, it does cost more, but to me, you get timber out of a wet area, but you also get a far better finish because your tiles run all the way to the edge and you just leave a little quirk around your window and your door frames. The other thing we're doing here is on this particular project, we've got these beautiful big 900 by 900 tiles that are on the floor and they're also running up the wall. They're only coming to a certain height. So we did our tiles set out here back at frame stage, and we've made the top of our nib wall and the bottom of our niche line up with where we wanted the tiles to finish. From the top of this tile to the height that we're going to finish the tiles at the top, we're actually using this little white tile. So you'll see here, this wall's all white. And it's got these packers around it. And the reason we've done that is because the big solid 9x9 tile we're using is sort of 10, 11 mil thick, and the little white tile is sort of only 5 or 6 mil thick. So when the job's finished, we want to keep this front surface nice and flush, but we also want to have nice straight lines around our window and door frames where it butts into. And look, there'll be plenty of builders out there that'll just let their tile, put the big tile on, and then have either a step in the wall where it steps back to this smaller tile, or even possibly angle the first tile out on the bottom so it's flush, but then it's on an angle. And what will happen then is you'll see it where it butts into your reveals around your windows and doors, and it's just a terrible finish. And here at DPS Constructions, we're all about the detail and doing things properly. So obviously it's more work for the tiler. The tiler's had to come and skim the wall, as you can see. He's packed it out, so now when he comes in tomorrow, when all this glue has dried, he can then glue this small white tile on top of the big tile, and we'll get a nice, beautiful, flush finish.